And Ma'am Melba also.
Melba.
Yeah. The three sisters to the Gucci store. Hmm. Si Ma'am, pa-wine-wine na lang.
Sa'yo na to loto.
Ay, thank you po, Ma'am. Guys, may red wine na naman ako.
Mamaya. So, red wine yan. Red wine.
Opo.
Red wine. Okay. So, okay. Ask for the size of that. So, guys, we're shopping is easy. Trying to chill and relax. But we shopping. And then after this, we'll get Allison from the school. We'll have dinner at Japanese and Shia. At sunset. Good. Training. Ang ganda ni Makina ko. $400. Kinain mo na. Gusto ko na. Well, pag look mo yung orange na. Oh my gosh. Sobrang puno na. Sobrang puno.